becoming a product junkie. I'm buying too many things. But this is just something else to add to the stash. What's going on, YouTube? It's your girl Just Naughty. So you guys, I have some wonderful news. I finally made it to 1,000 subscribers. Yay me, yay me. I would like to thank you all for supporting me and taking me to this milestone. I can't wait until my next milestone. You guys, I just ask that you continue to support me and my channel, and I'll do my part. Thank you so much. This video is going to be about me unboxing my canvas mannequin. I am excited. I get excited when it comes to anything dealing with hair. I love hair products and hair accessories and hair equipment and all that other good stuff. I'm gonna unbox my mannequin head. This isn't any ordinary mannequin head where you can practice how to braid. This one right here you can use to make wigs. You can use for quick weaves, lace wigs. I was scrolling through Amazon and I seen this mannequin cork head, and I decided to buy it. It's very inexpensive. It didn't really cost that much. And you guys, I'm not getting paid to review this. I just want to unbox this with you guys. I'm not gonna keep rambling. I'm gonna show y'all what's in this box, okay? Because I'm ready to see. So this is it right here. Let's see what's in here. All right, so this is a 22-inch, if I'm not mistaken. This is a 22-inch mannequin cork mannequin head, wig head, whatever you guys call it. I don't know if it looked like my head size, don't it? I don't know. I didn't take the proper measurements or anything like that. In fact, I didn't take any kind of measurements. I seen a few people, they did with theirs, but I got a small head. That's what I think. I think I got a small head, and this looks perfect. Like I said, this is a 22-inch. It ranges from 22 to 26 or 8, and the price doesn't change according to the head size. So you can get whichever one that you like. There's a little bit of plastic coming out of it. Yeah, I'm excited. All right, let's see what she comes with. Okay, so she comes with a pink comb, a weaving set, so there's needle and thread over here. T-pins. I'm probably gonna buy some more of these, but they come with T-pins. She comes with T-pins. This is a stand that I can put the wig head on to keep it stable. It comes with some rubber bands. I'm not sure why, but thank you. A crochet needle. I can make a crochet wig, you guys. I think that's what I'm gonna do. It's gonna be my very first one. Some scissors. This is dope. It came with scissors. Some wig clips. A stocking cap. Well, there's 2 of them in here. The 2 stocking caps. A wig cap. How many of them? Only one, but a wig cap. And a dome cap. Okay. But yes, you guys. So she came with a, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 items. Well, and then there's 10. So all of this was under $30. $25, $26. It wasn't really much. It's definitely worth it. I don't know. I think I'm gonna put some plastic over her though whenever I use her because I don't want it to get messed up fast. The material is like cloth material that they glued onto something, so that they glued onto a cork. Yeah, look. So this is where you put the wig stand in. I don't know if you guys seen my unboxing video for the mannequin head that I got for Christmas. It has the same bottom piece and the same stand. I think I might go get a tripod stand for this one as well as the other mannequin head that I have. But yeah, I'm excited. Yeah, stay tuned for some videos on wigs. I'm gonna make me some wigs. I'm definitely gonna make a crochet wig. There's plenty of stuff over here for me to make any type of wig I want. Okay? I'm gonna open up this wig clamp for you guys. Let's see. I'm just gonna put it together real quick. So alright, so I put it together for you guys. If you want to tighten this, you know, you just keep twisting this to your liking. Of course, you're going to put this piece onto an object, a table, a book, anything. Anything that's flat and sturdy. The mannequin head goes onto the wig clamp like this. So if you want to tighten it, you just go ahead and tighten this piece over here. And it shouldn't go anywhere. Yep. This is the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you would like to purchase this mannequin head, I'll go ahead and leave a link down below where you guys can purchase one of these bad boys. Once again, it was very inexpensive. I didn't pay much for it, and I got a whole bunch of stuff with it. So if you guys are thinking about purchasing one of these mannequin heads, get this one. See you guys in my next video.